Take command of the road in the 2018 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It includes power seats, leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, rain-sensing wipers, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and a split folding rear seat. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.